Welcome to 313 Glenn Avenue. This cute 3-bedroom, 1 full bath home with an updated interior, including luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout, an updated kitchen and bath. It's located in the Eau Claire area of North Columbia, convenient to I-20, as well as downtown and northeast Columbia. So we're here in the front yard. See, the lot slopes up towards the house. You have a gravel driveway here on the left side coming in, and then you can see the stairs going up to the front entry. So you have a white brick exterior on the home, and then once you step inside, you'll see neutral paint colors throughout, as well as the updated luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout as well. And you step into the living room, which is a nice size. You have a couple of windows here on the left and front side of the house. And then you can see on down the hall to where the bathroom and bedrooms are. But right behind us, on the other side of the living room, is the kitchen. And you have, again, updates in here with the white countertops and black hardware. Updated countertops, as well as, that was updated white cabinets. And then also the black stove and refrigerator included. Window over the kitchen sink as well. And then this lets us out to the outdoor space. Not a lot of yard back here, but it does sort of back up to kind of a wooded buffer area, so that it's nice, no immediate neighbors to your rear. And then also right off the back door, you do have a laundry room as well, so full-size washer dryer connections in here. So it's sort of a utility space, so it is exterior. And then you do have the patio here that's also covered, small patio area. And then back inside, again, you have a nice size hallway here. To the right is our full bathroom. And the updates continue in here, including the lighting. And then you have a tiled shower and tub. And then 3 bedrooms off the hall. So here's one of 3. And the closet, as you can see, is in the corner there. Then bedroom number 2. This one faces the front of the house. And there's your closet. And then you have a linen or coat closet here at the end of the hall. And then bedroom number 3, last but not least, with a pretty similar size closet to the other 2. So that completes our tour of this home in North Columbia, 313 Glenn Avenue. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.